Good morning, students. Hello, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. So, students, today I will teach you class 9 mathematics, the first chapter, rational number and the irrational number. So, first I will tell you about the rational number, that what is the rational number. So, students, rational number is the number which is of the form p by q, where p and q are integers but q not equal to 0. दैट मीन्स रेशनल नंबर वह नंबर होता है जो p अपान q के फॉर्म का होता है, जहाँ पे p और q इंटीजर्स होते हैं बट q 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. सपोज करिए अगर आपके सामने मैंने कोई नंबर लिखा 3/5, सो दिस इज़ द रेशनल नंबर. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑफ द फॉर्म p अपान q. ओके, another number I will take. So this is 4/7. This is also a rational number. Suppose I have written here 2. This is also a rational number. Why? Because you can write this as 2/1. But if I am writing here a number 3/0, okay, this is not a rational number. Why? Because here you are seeing that in the denominator here is 0. Okay, so this is not a rational number. रेशनल नंबर ये नहीं है, क्योंकि रेशनल नंबर इसको होने के लिए यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. दिस इज अनडिफाइंड नंबर. ओके, इसको हम डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज़ नॉट अ रेशनल नंबर. सो नाउ आई विल टेल यू व्हाट आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रेशनल नंबर. स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट because it will be used in many questions that is given in your exercises. So what are the different properties of rational numbers I will discuss here, and you have to understand them. So first property is addition. Students, you have to know that if you add any two rational number, the number that you will obtain will also be a rational number. Suppose 3/5 is a rational number, another rational number 4/6. If you add this, what you will get? You will get here, you will take LCM, and when you solve this, 5 6 are 30 and 3 6 are 18 and 6 5 are 30 and 5 4 are 20. If you add this, what it will be? 20 plus 18, it will be 38, and now 30. You can simplify this and you will get here 19/15. The students, you are getting this number. This number is also a rational number. Okay, that means कि students, अगर आप किन्हीं भी टू रेशनल नंबर्स को ऐड करते हो तो जो भी नंबर आपको मिलेगा वो नंबर भी क्या होगा? रेशनल नंबर होगा. ओके, नाउ subtraction. If you subtract any two rational number, the number that you will obtain will also be a rational number. Okay, that means if you take any number, that this is also a rational number 3. If you take 2 and if you subtract this, you will get 1, and this is also what? Rational. That means difference of any two rational number is also a rational number. Okay, as like this multiplication. That means if you take any two rational number, if you multiply this, okay, if you multiply this, you will get here 3 1 are 3 and 5 6 are 30, and if you simplify this, you will get 1/10. This is also a rational number. That means multiplication of any two rational number is a rational number. And now division of two rational number. That means suppose you have taken 1/6 divided by 2/5. You know how it is solved? Yes, you look here, this is 1 upon 6. This division sign, if you convert into multiplication, this will be reciprocal. You can write here 5 upon 2, and if you multiply this 5 1 5 and 6 2 12, this is also what? Rational number. Okay. So you understand that addition of two rational number will be rational, subtraction of two rational number will be rational, and multiplication of two rational number will be rational, and division of two rational number will be rational. Okay. Now I will tell you about inserting one or two rational number between two rational number. Students, this is very important for your exercises. Now look here, how will you insert one or two rational number between any two rational number? Insert. Now see here, how will you insert one rational number between any two rational number? Suppose you have given rational number 2 and 3, and you have to insert one rational number. Then how will you insert? You just only take the half of the number. Okay, that means you can write here one rational number is equal to 1 upon 2. You just only add this number 2 plus 3. You will get here 1 upon 2, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 upon 2. Okay, so one rational number between this number will be 5 upon 2. Now if you have to insert two rational number, then how will you insert? See here, suppose you have taken here the one rational number, and if you have to find the another rational number, then what you have to do? You will just take the half of this number. Okay, so other rational number or the second rational number will be one upon 2 and 2 plus 5 upon 2. Okay, so how will you solve this? You will take the LCM, and 2 2s are 4 and 5 1s are 5. This will be 1 upon 2 and 4 plus 5 9 upon 2. That this means 9 upon 4. So here you can write this 9 upon 4. So students, you can insert one rational number, two rational number, or three rational number by using this formula. Okay. Now if you have to insert more than 3, 4, 5 or 6, 7 rational number, then I am going to tell you the important formula. By using that, you can insert a lot of number between any two rational number. Suppose you have to insert between 3 and 4 10 rational number. Okay, यानी 3 और 4 के बीच आपको 10 रेशनल नंबर्स फाइंड करना है. तो आप कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? स्टूडेंट्स, I am going to tell you very simple formula. By using this, you can find out more than 3, 4, 5. That means any rational number. Okay. So you have to just only see here. Students, you are seeing that this is 3. You can write this as 3 upon 1. Now this is 4. You can write this as 4 upon 1. And students, you are seeing that you have to insert 10 rational number. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to only increase this by 1. That means आपको अगर 10 रेशनल नंबर फाइंड करना है तो आप क्या करोगे कि आप यहाँ पे इसमें 10 में 1 ऐड कर लोगे, यानी 11. आप क्या करोगे? अब यहाँ पे 11 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. ओके, सो इट विल बी 3 मल्टीप्लाई 11. ओके, एंड नाउ हियर विल बी 1 मल्टीप्लाई 11. ओके, सो यू आर सीइंग दिस. You have to do the same. You will also multiply this 4 by 11. Okay, and now this 1 by 11. So you are getting this as 33 upon 11, and you are getting here 44 upon 11. Okay, you are seeing that this 3 becomes here 33 upon 11, and now this 4 becomes 44 upon 11. Okay, because if you divide this 33 by 11, you will get 3, and 44 divided by 11, you will get 4. Now you have to find 10 rational number. So what will be the rational number? 33. That means 34, 35, 36 and so on. So here you can write this as your rational number will be 10 rational number, 33 upon 34 upon 11, 35 upon 11, 36 upon 11, 37 upon 11, 38 upon 11, 39 upon 11, 40 upon 11, 41 upon 11, 42 upon 11, 43 upon 11. Okay, so in all the questions that in which you have to find more than 4, 5, 6 rational numbers, so you can use this method to find. Okay, so students, exercise 1.1 is based on this, so you will solve this. Okay, now you have to solve the exercise, and if any difficulty comes, then you can ask me. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.